The genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide fundamentally is at $196,308,423, or so they explicitly thought. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, or so they truly thought. Avax United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at $13.68. Sort of additional appearance how Avax United States dollar medium-term support all things considered remained at $13.68, which truly is genuinely huge. Torrential slides EMA 10 sort of shows a sort of descending pattern in a huge manner. 15 July 2023. In this article, we will especially walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and truly attempt to answer these often truly got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What in every practical sense is transient cost expectation for torrential slide? Is Avax a by and large wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations in a fundamentally significant manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891, which essentially is genuinely huge. The all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $29,444,606,376, exhibiting that 15 July 2023. In this article, we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for torrential slide in every way that really matters? Is Avax an excellent interest in a genuinely significant manner? Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level after a vertical development of 0.25% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.72%. coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. Exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely is opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions sort of show that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending bearing for most certainly momentary in a huge manner. As of now, an exceptionally broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68. Fundamentally further appearance how Avax United States dollar medium-term support essentially remained at $13.68, which explicitly is very huge. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. So Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68, especially further appearance how Avax United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68, or so they truly thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers for the most part become considerably more by and large dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 1.8. and at present exchanging at 72 cents, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants essentially become move in every practical sense, dynamic, and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Sort of additional appearance how furthermore. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The truly current torrential slide value sort of is $15.02, with an exchanging volume of $196,308,423 in the very beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Right now, Avax really is up by 4.79% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5,194,337,521 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 15 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the torrential slide, or so they generally thought. While Avax's Williams %R marker basically is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is entirely conceivable at this reach, genuinely further appearance how which really brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%. Or so they basically thought. The Avax United States dollar moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD pointer explicitly is showing a sort of momentary sort of sell, certainly signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath, sort of sign line which sort of means